ticked off too. Don't they realize how important their things are, especially to the little kids that are watching now? And elementary and junior high and high school.
And by the way, Tracy does want to see this back in the shop for a valve adjustment.
Okay.
And so there's a possibility that I could have a loaner car for a few days while this is in there and getting that done.
When are you going to take it in?
We're going to have to work on scheduling that. So.
Oh.
So.
Okay.
There's no new parts needed. It's just adjustments.
We don't have the money to buy new parts.
No, we don't need for that. You don't need to buy parts. It's only adjusting the valves.
Oh, I see.
So.
Are you going to help him with that then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna work together with him on that.
Cool. And I'm gonna know by Friday whether or not I have a vacuum leak or have a bad map sensor. I think it's a bad map sensor that's eating up the fuel economy in this.
That's what's taking your gas?
Yep. So.
Yeah, are you sure there's nobody tapping your gas?
There isn't. It's because my gas cap locks. So.
But they can tap it from underneath.
No, they can't. No, this vehicle doesn't allow that.
Oh, good.
So there's no room to do it.
Okay.
So.
Well, I just want you to be aware that does happen.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the church has had that happen to them a number of times, where people have cut the gas lines and then stuck a hose into the gas tank. And yes, to Ford's full-size vans, yes, you can do that, unfortunately. But this is kind of fortunate. I don't have that problem. I'm going to go that direction.
What a terrible thing. Steal the gas from the church.
And the Salvation Army just had it happen to them again the other day. So, steal it from a church.
Yep. And from a mission. How dare it?
Yep.
Steal it from anybody is wrong.
But I think the Salvation Army might have a good chance of catching them because their campus is pretty well blanketed by cameras. And it happened while the vehicle was on campus. So.
To their buses or to
one of their cutaway paratransit type minibuses is what they call them, but
and they cut the hose.
Yep. Thankfully, that's not a very costly repair. It's only about $10 to put a new hose in there, but still the thing is it happened.
Yeah. The very idea.
You know what? Those very people. Those are the type of people that my fist is for.
I know what you mean. Well, we just have to pray for people that do things like that.
Yep.
We just pray that they will get caught.
Yep. Yeah, Tracy said prison was the best thing that ever happened to him. That's when he got saved.
Yeah.
So, you know, it would have been kind of funny and wonderful at the same time to be there when Paul preached the gospel to the guards and they got saved.
Yeah.
And then they let him out against, I believe they did let him out against orders.
They did.
And that would have just been funny.
And the Lord burst the chains.
What's that?
The Lord actually burst the chains.
Yep.
And set the captain, Paul. And who else was in there with him?
I don't know.
Cyrus?
Yeah, I don't know who it was.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
That was cute.
And the Roman guards could have been killed for that. And by the emperor. But I don't think they were. What happened to the guards in the prison there?
I don't know.